Always tracking, always alerting. Storm Team 8.
Well, we experienced a messy winter day around West Michigan. We started things off with some snow showers this morning. We had a period of drizzle through the afternoon and the evening hours. Still holding on to just a little bit of that if you look toward the horizon in Grand Rapids. And it does look like we have some snow showers that are beginning to fill back in the radar, which should become more intense as we lead forward into Monday morning. We were able to achieve a high temperature above freezing for a change. It's the first time since New Year's Day of 2025 that we were able to move above the freezing point, if only by a degree. 33 the official high in Grand Rapids, so a very slight thaw. It was a little more pronounced as you approach the lakeshore. 37 this afternoon in Muskegon, 36 in Holland, a high temperature of 36 also observed in Benton Harbor, and some chillier conditions inland with temperatures near the freezing point, including 32 in Greenville. Here's a look at Storm Track Live now. You can see that we've had a period of some quieter weather this evening, but again, we are continuing to watch this cold front, which is going to be the focal point for having some more snow showers develop, and you can see that is beginning to work into the radar here. Let's zoom in closer. You can see that we have some very light snow showers, especially as you approach the lakeshore in Muskegon and Holland, and it looks like those will venture further inland through the overnight hours. So we do expect to have some snow showers with us for the Monday morning commute. We do currently have some wet surfaces out there, but as the temperature continues to drop, we do expect to have some icy surfaces develop. We could also have some snow-covered roads as we move into Monday morning. And in addition to that, we are going to have the wind whipping around as we head into tomorrow. That could also lead into some reduced visibility in spots with gusts near 30 miles per hour. We already have gusts between 25 and 35 miles per hour in West Michigan, some of the strongest being observed as you move toward the lakefront. 33 in both Holland and Benton Harbor, 32 miles per hour in Hastings, 30 in Grand Rapids, measuring up to 29 in Greenville. And that's likely to stay present through much of the day on Monday. Here's Futurecast then. It shows that that cold front comes through as we head through tonight. And again, that's going to bring about that west-northwest wind, and that's likely to continue to bring in that chance of some lake effect snow showers throughout the day on Monday, likely carrying forward into Tuesday. It's not until Wednesday morning that we start to see this shut off with just a handful of flurries left over and perhaps even a few peaks of sunshine as we continue on through Wednesday as we get a break in the action. There's what things look like then. We expect to have some lake effect snow with us tomorrow. That'll carry into Tuesday with a high temperature of only 19 degrees, 23 on Wednesday with some peaks of sun as the wind becomes a little more calm. Here's a look at what we expect in terms of snowfall totals, and in comparison to the last couple of systems when we've had some of the heaviest snow right along the lakefront, especially western Ottawa County, it looks like the wind is going to nudge that further inland. So I think that we'll see the belt of strongest or heaviest snowfall right along US 131, probably between about Grand Rapids and Kalamazoo. 3 to 6 inch totals in the darker shade of blue, 1 to 3 inches in the periphery in the lighter shade of blue. Here's the 8-day forecast. You can see that we are going to have a little bit of a warm up heading into next weekend. Doesn't last for too long though. We are favored to have some colder than average conditions toward the end of the month. We'll have more coming up after this.